This is multiplying and dividing with significant figures, and these are our sample problems. So here, when you type into your calculator 3.10 times 4.520 and you hit equals, you get this number down here in the corner, 14.012. And the question is, where do I round that off? So here, you have to look at how many sig figs did you have in your math problem. This number has 3 sig figs, and this number has 4 sig figs. And so you're going to say the least sig figs of the two givens is going to be how many sig figs your answer can have. So we can only have up to 3 significant figures in this final answer right here. So I'm going to round this off after 3 significant figures. So it's going to be the 1, the 4, and that 0, because it's followed by a 1, will stay a 0. And so the final answer, this is my calculator answer. I can only have 3 significant figures, and once I round this off, I get 14.0. Here's another example that's a little bit more complex. So when we type this into our calculator, we're going to open parenthesis, 6.8 times 10 raised to the 3, close that parenthesis, times, open parenthesis, 4.54 times 10 to the 6, close parenthesis, equals, and we get this number in our calculator. Now, if we look, this number has 2 significant figures right there, and this number has 3 significant figures. So the least of those is going to be 2 significant figures. So this is the answer I got in my calculator. I can only round it off to have 2 significant figures. So it's going to be the 3 and the 0. What happens to the 0? It's followed by an 8. So I'm going to have to round the 0 up. And so that's going to give us a final answer of 3.1 times 10 to the 10. Way to calculate this same set of numbers with the online calculator that's posted on Canvas. We're going to open parenthesis, which is here, and then type in 6.8 times 10, and then we're going to use this AB raised to the 3rd power. I'm going to tab over or click here to get it off of the exponent, and then I'm going to close my parenthesis. Now I can type in the times, and now I'm going to open parenthesis again and type in 4.54 times 10 raised to the 6th power, and then scoot my little line over and close the parenthesis, and it's already calculating it for you here. So remember, we got 3.0872 times 10 to the 10, and then we had to round off based on only 2 sig figs from this 6.8, and then our final answer rounded off would be 3.1 times 10 to the 10. So this will be how you could use this calculator that's posted on my Canvas homepage.